This powder gives you a real-life filter.
Sit by myself, talking to the moon.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your fucking makeup is gonna look. And it's gonna stay on 24/7 and it's not gonna crease.
Well, you know, say talk is cheap. I know you are tempted to roll with me. Me, I know bitty bitty body where you sing. What a man can do, a woman can do so. If you do me, I do you. Man, no go best up on the dance floor. Man, no go best touch me, I told you. Man, no go best say. Man, no go best say. Man, no go if you do me, I do you. Man, no go best step on the dance floor. Man, no go so won't you give it to me? I go give it to you. So make you give it to me some more. Some more.
Supposed to give you more stronger to find jawline, and literally every celebrity does it. All you have to do is place your tongue at the roof of the mouth, close it, and then smile. And in the long run, it's actually shown to improve your face bone structure. Follow for more.
Here are 10 makeup tips I wish I knew earlier. Blend foundation with your fingers to achieve a supernatural skin-like finish. To really set your base, spray your sponge with some finishing or setting spray. Your base is going to blend even more flawlessly and last a lot longer. I'm blending around the under eye area because we want to use less product to minimize creasing. If your brow wax comes in a jar, avoid double dipping. Instead, scoop some product out to work with. Marinate your concealer so you can use less product while still getting a full coverage. Spray finishing spray between every step, especially if you like to do your skin first. It keeps the skin looking fresh for hours and the base just looks soft and airbrushed. If your eyeliner smudges easily, set it with some dark eyeshadow or put some powder in this area where eyeliner usually bleeds. For eyes with epicanthic folds, apply inner corner eyeliner on the lower lash line. To brighten and open up the eyes, place highlight in this divot here. I like to bring it up and down into the lower lash line. When setting your makeup, go one step further by drenching your sponge with setting spray, tapping gently to melt the makeup into your skin.
Here's my 10 skincare tips I wish I knew earlier. Double cleansing every night, even when I don't wear makeup. It helps remove excess oil and sebum from my skin to prevent clogged pores. Not using chemical exfoliants daily. This has the potential to damage your moisture barrier. Knowing what my skin concerns and what my skin type is, not everyone has the same skin, so always listen to yours. Wearing sunscreen every day, even if I'm indoors, it not only helps with your wrinkles, but it also helps with your dark spots. Keeping my barrier maintenance as my sole focus for my skincare routine. Stronger barrier helps prevent less skin problems in the future. Keeping my routine consistent and not swapping out my products often. Just because something's stronger or it stings doesn't mean it's going to give you quicker results. Hello, of course, you don't want to pop your pimples. They're going to leave scarring. It's going to leave inflammation, give you more bacteria. It's a mess. Scrubs don't remove skin texture. I don't know how many times I have to say this. Not everything that everybody likes is going to work for you. Just because it's popular on Instagram or TikTok doesn't mean that it's going to immediately help you with your acne. Do your research.
Girl Tips I Wish I Knew Sooner, Part 28. If you have sensitive ears, try putting Neosporin or Vaseline on your earring post. This will help you to avoid any irritation that are caused by earrings that are not real silver or gold.
Girl tip I wish I knew sooner. Part 4. Lip slugging will have your lips feeling soft as F. No more dry lips.
Instead of doing this, do this instead. When you rub like this, it stretches your skin and the product is not going to absorb as well as if you slap the products into your skin. The harder the better. So when you do it this way, you get the blood circulating and your products are just going to absorb so much better. So with toners, I generally like to press it into my skin first and then start tapping. Now watch your eyes. And I do this slapping technique about 90% with all of my products. And I am not saying to never rub at your discretion. For instance, with moisturizers, I'll just rub it around a little bit and then tap. Follow for more.
How I went from this to this. I started cleansing my face with this cleanser, and now I'm using this one just because I can't find the CeraVe one in the shops near me. I personally think that you should use a cleanser that works best for your skin type. I have sensitive skin and kinda dryish. After you cleanse your face with the cleanser that works the best for your skin type, I put this cream on, which is the Effaclar Duo Plus of La Roche-Posay, and it's the cream that really changed the game for me. In the morning, I also apply this sunscreen. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just kept being consistent, and I still do it every morning and every evening.
No. No, 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 no. Exactly.
When I see you, I go nuts. Please, baby girl, let me touch on them cocoa.
Girl tips I wish I knew sooner. Bic razors for the best close shave for legs. The Gillette Venus Pubic Hair Razor is great for sensitive skin like mine. Witch hazel on your bumhole after showering to remain odorless. Dry brush to decrease the appearance of strawberry legs and cellulite.
Beauty tips I wish I knew sooner. Rinsing your mouth after brushing your teeth can actually lead to tooth decay. You're not supposed to rinse your mouth afterwards because that means you're just washing away the fluoride before it can really work on your teeth. So if you don't want cavities, spit out the toothpaste once you're done with it and leave the water. How much shampoo do we really need to use? For short hair, it should be about the size of a nickel. Medium hair, the size of a quarter. And long hair, about $50. You're also not supposed to apply the shampoo directly onto your scalp. Apply it on your hands, emulsify it, then add it to your scalp and massage it for a minimum of 3 minutes. And that number is regardless of hair type and length. While shampoo should only be applied to the scalp, conditioner should be applied to the bottom 2/3 of the hair. Your scalp produces natural oils, so you don't need to add more. Eye cream should actually be applied before moisturizer or under your moisturizer, not on top of it. And if you don't have an eye cream, that CeraVe healing ointment that everyone uses on their face is perfect for under eyes. Shh, that one's a secret. You are only supposed to exfoliate your face 2 times a week. Anything more than that is going to be too harsh. You should be washing your face and doing your skincare at least an hour before bedtime. If you're human, you're going to have pores. Some may be larger, some may be smaller, but if a skincare product says that it can get rid of your pores, save your money, honey. And lastly, you should be wearing sunscreen even if it's cloudy. Like and follow for part 2.
Skincare advice I would never follow after working in the beauty industry. Using micellar water as a cleanser. Unless you want to have clogged pores or sensitivities on your skin, I would avoid this tip. If someone is telling me to cleanse my face until it's squeaky clean, I would say it's a red flag because our face has protective oils that have to remain there even after cleansing to help prevent breakouts. Wearing eye patches to prevent puffiness because face fitness doesn't work? Don't get me even started on that.
Girl tips I wish I knew sooner, how to dry brush for super soft skin. I picked up this dry brush from Target. It was about $5. When you dry brush, make sure that you're always moving towards your heart. You can also do circular motions on your thighs. It helps with cellulite. You can also use it on your arms and your stomach. I like to do this about every other day and it helps with cellulite and strawberry legs.
She got tattoos on her body, and she light skin kinda naughty. She gon' turn up in the party, she get lit sipping on Bacardi. She got tattoos on her body, and she light skin kinda naughty. She gon' turn up in the party, she get lit sipping on Bacardi. What a kickback set. What a kickback.